Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become an avocado. I don't know how to pronounce that word now. I don't know why. Okay, how to be that fruit on dress to impress. So go to the color wheel and you're just going to use this like kind of green. Just gonna make it a little bit darker like that maybe. And then you're going to go here and you're going to select these gloves, and I'm just going to color it this brown. Okay. Then you are going to need the cupcake costume. So select that. And then you're going to color it that green we did for every like part. Is that the green we used? Let me just save this color. I didn't even save it. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm gonna save this color first, and then for the cupcake, we're going to color it the same color for all of it, like this. Okay. Once you're done, you'll need to wear this dress from like Codes, I think. Then I'm gonna color this green first. I can't even see it. And then the second one, like this yellow. And then I want it to be green and the rest green. So I just want like one part to be yellow. Why is it still? Hold on, let me fix that. Oh, did I choose the wrong green? You know what? I think I'm just gonna do this part yellow and the rest that green. Okay, gonna make it look like that, alright? I'm sorry. And then we're going to get the pumpkin, which is over there. I keep forgetting where it is, so just bear with me. Select the pumpkin and you're going to color it like a darker brown like this. And then you're going to get like this one, but you're going to toggle it to the third one and you're going to color it that green. Then you're going to get this like cape and you're going to color it green, but like a darker one. So I'm just going to toggle it down there. And that's how you can add shoes if you'd like to. But as you can see, you're an avocado. It's because of the meme avocado. That's why I've been trying to like pronounce it correctly. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.